Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe.
Welcome to my YouTube channel dedicated to helping you overcome the fear of classroom presentations and become a confident speaker. Many people feel nervous or anxious when speaking in public, and this can be especially challenging in a classroom setting. However, with the right tools, strategies, and mindset, anyone can become a confident and effective speaker. Whether you're a student preparing for a presentation, a teacher looking to improve your delivery, or anyone else who wants to overcome their fear of public speaking, this channel is for you. Join me as we explore practical tips, insights, and inspiration to help you develop your confidence and communicate your ideas with clarity and impact. Together, we'll conquer our fears and unleash our full potential as speakers. Through this channel, I will guide you through various techniques and strategies to overcome your fear of classroom presentations and help you become a confident speaker. We will cover topics such as preparing and organizing your content, using visual aids effectively, delivering your presentation with confidence and clarity, and handling unexpected challenges or questions from the audience. Additionally, I will share personal stories, insights, and inspiration to motivate you along the way. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards becoming a confident and effective speaker, hit the subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey. It's normal to feel nervous when giving a classroom presentation or speaking in public, but there are several strategies you can use to overcome your fear and become more confident. Tip 1: Practice, practice, practice. Practice your presentation as much as possible, and rehearse it in front of friends, family, or a mirror. The more familiar you are with the material, the more confident you'll feel when presenting it. Tip 2: Prepare well. Make sure to prepare your content well in advance, and organize it in a clear and logical way. This will help you feel more in control and confident during the presentation. Tip 3: Visualize success. Visualize yourself giving a successful presentation, and imagine the positive feedback and applause from the audience. This can help to reduce your anxiety and boost your confidence. Tip 4: Focus on the audience, rather than focusing on your own fears and insecurities. Focus on the audience and how you can engage and help them learn. This shift in focus can help you feel more confident and purposeful. Tip 5: Take deep breaths. Take deep breaths before and during the presentation to help calm your nerves and reduce anxiety. Tip 6: Start small. Begin with smaller presentations or speaking opportunities, and gradually work your way up to larger ones. This can help you build your confidence and skills over time. Tip 7: Seek feedback. After the presentation, seek feedback from the audience or a trusted colleague. This can help you identify areas for improvement and build on your strengths. Remember that overcoming fear and building confidence takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself, and don't be afraid to seek help or support if needed.